Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Voltorb. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body with a large circle. Now inside, let's start on the left and let's draw a curve towards the bottom and then over. And now inside this bottom section on the left, let's draw some angled lines. Next, let's hop up and let's draw the eyes, starting with the right one. Let's start with a bent line over here. And then from the bottom, let's curve it over to the right side. Now let's hop up and let's draw another angled curve up. And then a small line up at the end. Now let's hop in between and let's draw a curve down on the right side. And then towards the inside, let's draw a small curve from the top for the pupil. And then color it in black. And that's it for the right eye. Now let's move over and draw the left one. Let's start with an angled curve in the middle here. And then an angle up on the right. Then for the middle of this line, let's draw another curve going up. Now let's hop back to the bottom of the line and let's draw another angled curve up and over to the left. And an angle up at the end. Now move back down to the bottom and let's draw another curve over. And then step in from the end and draw a curve down. Now inside the eye, let's draw a skinny oval for the pupil. And color it in black. And that's it for Voltorb. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!